Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front bumper cover on a Fiat. This one is a 500. It's a Sport, but it will be the same for Pop and the two-door Fiat. So it will be the same for the generation. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. It's pretty simple procedure once you know what you're doing. We already got the bolts loose, so we can, guys, save you some time and not waste your time. We try to make our videos as short and as concise as possible and with good step-by-step instructions. Right here we need to remove one bolt with a T30 star looking bit. One right here, okay, you can see, so a total of 4 on the top of the bumper cover. Don't forget that, guys, to subscribe and give us a like. We upload a new video almost every day. Videos, do it yourself videos that could save you big money and of course time. And now next thing we need to do, we need to turn the tire to the right. There is 3 screws right here, one in the top with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and there is one more right there and one more underneath this one, like that. And now on the bottom of the bumper cover there is one more screw with a Phillips screwdriver right there. As you can see, we got it loose already. And now you need to put a fender liner like that, and right here in the corner of the bumper, let me show you where exactly it is, there is one more bolt with the T30 star looking bit, the one that we use for the 4 bolts up there. Okay, so you need to remove it as well, this one. It's hard to show you exactly where it is. And now we need to do the same procedure on the passenger side. We have those 3 screws, 1, 2 and one underneath it, 3 screws together. One is missing here and the one on the bottom, which is located right there. And now we need to put a fender liner again, and we need to access this screw with the T30 star looking bit. Okay. And now we need to go underneath the front end of the bumper, and there is 3 screws, 3 bolts that we need to remove. Again, there with that T30, we got them loose already. You can see that's the 2 that you need, 2 and one more. So altogether 3 of them on the bottom of the bumper cover. And now you can just go ahead and pull right here in the corner. Just gently grab it and pull. It needs to come out of the clips. Okay, like that. And now in this corner as well here, you need to start slowly so you don't break any clips. And now you just pull. The last one is the tricky one. So if you get your hand underneath it and kind of like push it like that, it helps come out. And now what you need to do, you need to unhook the wires before the bumper comes off. So you need to remove this one. You see this one, you just press down and pull. This one is the same way, press here and pull. And there is one more set of wires on this side. The same procedure as the passenger side. Okay, and that's how you guys remove and replace the bumper cover on a Fiat 500. Pretty simple procedure, not complicated at all. It shouldn't take you more than 10-15 minutes to do it yourself. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.